guys, now we are in Chennai and we have come to visit Kundi National Park, which is in Chennai. You can see here different type of animals and birds everywhere.
Porcupine. Porcupine is found throughout India and prefers rocky hillsides, dense bushes and forest. It has quills in the body which is peculiar of its kind. It has poor eyesight but a good sense of hearing, smell and is active during night hours. Southern cassowary. These are also known as double-wattled cassowary. The cassowary is an omnivorous bird and therefore eats a wide variety of both plants and animals in order to gain all the nutrients that it needs to survive. Cassowaries mainly feed on fruits that have fallen to the ground from the trees along with leaves, grasses, seeds, insects and spiders. These are mostly found in Australia. Crocodiles. Crocodiles are large, semi-aquatic reptiles that live throughout the tropics in Africa, Asia, America, and Australia. Crocodiles are carnivorous animals feeding mostly on vertebrates such as fish, reptiles, birds, and mammals, and sometimes on invertebrates such as mollusks and crustaceans. Many species are at risk of extinction, some being classified as critically endangered. Tortoise is located in central and southern parts of India. It prefers semi-arid and scrub forest of peninsular India. It is easily identified by the presence of star-shaped stripes on its body. It may weigh as much as 7 kg, but most of them are much smaller. It feeds mainly on grass, cactus, flowers and fruits. Female is larger than male and considered as a favorite pet. Both male and female together make nest in the sandy area. Breeds throughout the year and incubation period varies from 90 to 120 days. Parrots. Parrots live in tropical areas. Parrots have curved bills, strong legs and clawed feet. Parrots are often brightly colored. Parrots are believed to be the one of most intelligent bird species. The most important components of parrots' diet are seeds, nuts, fruit, birds and other plant materials. Ostrich is a species of large flightless bird native to certain large areas of Africa. It is distinctive in its appearance with a long leg and legs and can run for a long time at a speed of 55 km per hour. The common ostrich is farmed around the world particularly for its feathers, which are decorative and are also used as feather dusters. Its skin is used for leather products and its meat is marketed commercially. Emu. This species is found across Australia and is the second largest bird alive. An emu stands as tall as a man and weighs as much as a woman. The big bird lacks tall quills and has tiny wings. Flocks of emu roam in Australia's dry grassland eating berries, fruits and insects. A frightened emu can run as fast as a horse. Female lays and male incubates the eggs. White peacock. The white peacock is a special peacock, domesticated Indian peafowl that has been born in all white due to a genetic variation. The loss of pigmentation of this beautiful bird is caused by leucism. These animals can grow about 90 to 130 cm tall and weigh around 4 to 6 kg. The feeding habits is same as that of Indian peacock. Peacock. The bird is celebrated in Hindu and Greek mythology and is the national bird of India. The male peacock is brightly colored with a predominantly blue fan-like crest of spatula-tipped wire-like feathers. Peahens have a greenish lower neck. They prey on snakes, lizards and small rodents. They are mainly found on ground in open forest or on land under cultivation. Jackals are opportunistic omnivorous predators of small to medium-sized animals and proficient scavengers. Their long legs and curved canine teeth are adapted for hunting small mammals, birds and reptiles, and their large feet and fused leg bones give them a physique well suited for long-distance running, capable of maintaining speed of 16 km per hour. Spoonbills. Spoonbills are spread across India and Sri Lanka. All spoonbills have large, flat, spatulate bills and feed by wading through shallow water, sweeping the partly open bill from side to side. Spoonbills generally prefer fresh water to salt but are found in both environments. They need to feed many hours each day. Deer. These are found in the forest of India and Sri Lanka. They are most timid and tender-hearted animal. It feeds on grass, shoots, twigs, leaves, flowers and fruits. They breed throughout the year and delivers 1 or 2 fawns after a gestation of 6 months. They live up to 18 to 25 years. They are now protected under Schedule 3 of Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Sambar deer. This biggest deer of the country is found in India, Myanmar and Sri Lanka. Height of the deer is 40 to 63 inches at shoulder level and weighs from 100 to 535 kgs. They feed mainly at night and retire into heavy cover at daybreak. They shall not prefer to come out till dusk. It is an excellent swimmer and a main prey for tiger. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.